Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, April 6, 2022. Yesterday, the markets took off to the upside early on, but then had a violent reversal about 30 minutes into the session and then traded down near the lows the remainder of the session, closing just off the low of the session. And we have what's called a bearish outside day. Now, we've looked at this pattern before, but we are in a different market environment than last time we looked at it, and that makes a difference for the pattern. So we're going to look at it again today. Let me go ahead and get it set up. We'll grab all four instruments. The setup is based upon entering the market long at 9:38 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, we are continuing lower in the overnight session, so I'm going to add that by going to the opening filters and add the opening area. We are quite a ways below yesterday's low, so I'll go ahead and add that here. Hit equals next to open below prior day low, and then I'm going to go to the price patterns library. We're going to grab a candlestick. I'm going to get it from the act of today's section. Go down to the candlesticks, day after bearish outside day. That comes from our candlesticks category here. And then I'm going to go to the indicators library, put us in a similar market environment. We closed below a 10-day simple moving average, but above a 200-day simple moving average. And now I can click View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you open below the prior day low, and the prior day had a bearish outside day that closed below a 10 but above a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, the S&P has 20 samples, the NASDAQ 25, Dow 26, Russell 22. The win rates on these are fairly neutral for three of the four. S&P coming in a touch weak, 45%, the NASDAQ 48%, Dow 50%, Russell, the strongest of the group, at 73% of these have closed above the opening print for that session. If we look at the average moves, the average loss larger than the average win in the S&P. That's also the case here in the NASDAQ. That is also the case in the Dow. The Russell has a larger average win compared to its average loss. So three of the four have larger average losses, and three of the four are neutral to slightly weak on the win rates. Russell is completely doing its own thing over here with much stronger results. That's the red equity curve right here. That's the Russell. The rest of them, and there's the ES, this is the NASDAQ, here's the Dow, all those kind of a little weak in comparison to the Russell there. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.